Being humane is treating people that needs treatment, even if this person is by definition your enemy. Once he's sick and in need and he's in your care, then you need to care for him. My line of work is pediatric cardiology, and I specialized in interventional pediatric cardiology for children and adults with congenital heart disease. My patients come from Israel, both Jewish and Arabs, and we have also treated quite a few Palestinian patients in the last years. We treated over 720 Palestinian kids, about 200 from the Gaza Strip and about 500 from the West Bank.
Here in Hadassah, we are living together, we are working together, we are saving life together. Even if they are from the West Bank, Gaza, they coming here, they are receiving the same treatment as the kids of Israeli families.
Sagi feels like a father to me. He treats me like I'm his son.
So I live in Kibbutz Niram, which is situated next to the Gaza Strip. So I grew up there, and my parents are still there, and I raised my family there.
It's been a long night and now day in Israel, with roughly 400 rockets and counting fired towards Israeli civilian communities.
In the recent conflict, we had the misfortune of getting my home hit by a missile. When the missile hit, it hit the back of the house, shattered all the windows, and the roof went up, and there was a lot of debris. It's hard for me to concentrate on my work when your loved one and your home is under attack. I do firmly believe that the children I treat here are not to be blamed for what other people are doing.
In his commitment to treat anyone, nothing has changed. Part of our culture as Jews is really to understand that we're here also to serve and to help other people, and not necessarily only those that are Jews.
As a Jewish Israeli, I was raised to believe that human life matters, that moral matters. It's the little thing that you can do in your own little area.